Provide customer service with your team on Telegram. With multiple people working in shifts, achieve 24/7 online support and never miss any customer message again. Through a customer service bot, all group members can directly chat with multiple users simultaneously. Combined with the hide username feature, all conversations remain under supervisor monitoring for easy team management. First, bind your bot's token to OnlyTG Echo. Then prepare a topic mode group. Add your bot to this group as administrator and enable permissions to mange topic. Open your bot and type the start command. Here you can see it's currently in single mode. Let's switch it to topic mode. Once you confirmed, this change cannot be reverted. After changing the mode, add a new group. The selected group must meet all these mandatory conditions. Choose the group we just prepared. After adding the group, you can view its status. Now is enabled. You also can disable the group or set it to only message mode, which means only receives messages for existing topics while blocking new user. Here we can enable the hide username feature. All group members will see users' nicknames and Telegram IDs, but not usernames. This prevents members from privately contacting users, ensuring all conversations stay in the group for supervisory management. If you don't need to hide username, just disable it. Now let's test. When a user sends messages to my bot, a new topic automatically gets created in my group to forward these messages. We can see the user's nickname, but not their username. If you disable the hide username feature, the username will show here. When another new user sends messages, another new topic gets created. Click between topics to instantly respond to different users. Group members can directly reply to the user in the topic.